In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute emails in Gmail. If your inbox keeps getting hijacked by busy group threads or ongoing conversations you don't need to follow in real time, muting is a simple way to quiet the noise without losing anything important. When you mute a conversation in Gmail, you stop receiving notifications from that specific thread. Any future replies to that same conversation skip your inbox and go straight to your archive, which means your inbox stays clean and focused while the conversation is still safely stored in your account. Think of mute as a gentler alternative to blocking or marking something as spam. You're not telling Gmail that the messages are unwanted or harmful. You're simply choosing not to see that particular thread in your inbox. The conversation remains available, complete with its labels and history, and you can still read it whenever you want. This is especially handy for long back and forths where you've already gotten the information you need, or for threads where multiple people are replying all and you don't need every single update. Here's how to do it. First, open Gmail in your web browser. Give the page a moment to load so the toolbar options appear. Next, find the conversation you want to quiet and select it by ticking the small checkbox to the left of the email subject line. Selecting it tells Gmail you want to take an action on that specific thread. With the conversation selected, look to the toolbar above your messages and click the icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. This menu contains less frequently used options, including the one we need. From that menu, click Mute. That's it. Gmail will confirm the change, and from now on, replies to that conversation will bypass your inbox and head directly to your archived mail, keeping your main view clutter-free. A few quick notes to set expectations. Muting doesn't delete anything, and it doesn't unsubscribe you from mailing lists. It simply moves future messages in that conversation out of the inbox view so you won't see notifications or new entry lines for it there. You can always review the conversation later on your own schedule by searching for it or navigating through your labels, since it remains part of your mailbox. And you're done. The conversation is muted. Use this when you want to stay organized, cut down on distractions, and still keep a complete record of your email activity for reference whenever you need it.